Hello YouTubers, this is SteamieWithGlasses here. This here is my third review on some Thunderbirds Are Go toys. First of all, we're starting off here with just hold it up, is the brand new Thunderbird 5. As you can see, of course, the brand new Thunderbird 5 is a very interesting design, much more like a actual space satellite compared to the original Thunderbird 5. You can see it has the words International Rescue there, with the solar panels there, and then we've got here are some sounds, of course, like all the Thunderbird toys do have. As I was saying, it does have some sounds. Let me just lay my camera down a bit. Just some sounds.
You may be clever for a human, but I am Eos.
That was interesting. Actually has the voice of Eos there.
International Rescue, this is Thunderbird 5. We have a situation.
Interesting alarm sound. And then we've also got, of course, it's the actual, like all toys, very sound sensitive. Just mounting the toy against my desk here, because I can actually show this actually works if I just pull it. One more time. Not easy, this multitasking. Yep, so that's the brand new Thunderbird 5 there, folks. Now let's move on to the other toys. Next here we have the models of Brains and his robotic assistant Max. As you can see, it's a very well detailed model of Brains, even right down to his glasses and his orange, his well, sort of meant to be sort of orangey pink jacket with beige trousers. And then of course we have here is Max, which is basically the modern version of Bremen from the original Thunderbirds. You can see he's simply a robotic spider with on wheels, so you can actually move him along, plus you can actually move his arms as well, and just look, he can move his head up and down like that, and there's the word Max on the side. Yep, so that's Brains and Max. Now here is the latest Thunderbirds and Thunderbirds Are Go toy model, of course, that have been of the mechanic, the mysterious new villain who was introduced in season 2 of Thunderbirds Are Go. And you can see from his appearance he is a rather scary looking character. And you can actually see, well, you may not be able to see it from here, but you can see how superbly detailed he is. That's like a little gun, that's actually a grease gun that's mounted on his right hand shoulder. And just turn him around, you can see like he's got quite a lot of gear on his back as well, and that's his hairdo, a Mohican with some, of course on the side there is tattoos, and of course he does speak in a formidable, and you can actually, well, you may not be able to see it, but just almost from this angle you can, his eyes are actually visible. His eyes are actually visible behind the glasses, of course. Now this is my interpretation of how the mechanic talks. I am a mechanic. I'll take what I want from who I want, whenever I want it. Now this here is a very interesting model that I actually purchased June last year from a second-hand shop down in Brighton, and of course this is the one of International Rescue's famous pod vehicles, the Firefly, complete with its number 6279, and it is quite an interesting model as well. There's the scoop at the front where the you have the hole for the cannon and the screen there through the bulldozer blade. And that's the back end of it as well. It's very superbly detailed with the yellow paintwork and the as you can see, with the yellow paintwork and the red lining along the side. And if we can actually move it up, as you can see, the front end of the toy isn't actually of the Firefly itself, but nevertheless interesting. I suppose when you just pull it down like that, just makes it much more like the Firefly itself. And the toy itself was actually, yep, as you can see, made in China. Yeah, so there you go, everyone. That is this is my third review of the Thunderbirds Are Go toys. This is SteamieWithGlasses signing off. Goodbye.